How to work with bearings problem solving questions in 110 seconds. Let's go. It's true, guys, this topic is pretty tricky and it does trip people up a lot. However, when we know the common trick in these questions, it's not actually too bad. Let's have a look. This question says that C is due south of B and then asks us to work out the bearing of C from A. We want the bearing of C from A, so we're going to want this angle here. That is going to be the line which connects the north line from A to the line which connects A to C. Now, what are we going to do? The key thing with these questions, guys, that trick I just mentioned, is going to be that they very often involve parallel lines. We can see that we have two north lines here, which means that these lines both go vertically upwards, and because of that fact, they're both going to be parallel. So we can think of our alternate, co-interior, and corresponding angles and how they might be able to help us. So what are we going to have here? We're actually going to have two alternate angles, which is going to be our 62 degrees and this angle here. Because they are both inside the corners of that Z shape, they're going to be alternate, and that means that they are the same. So we can use that fact to say that this angle here is also 62 degrees. Next step, what we're going to do is we're going to use the fact that these two lines are the same length to ascertain that this is actually an isosceles triangle. And what that means is that this angle here and this angle here also have to be the same. So what we can do is we can do 180 subtract 62, 180 subtract 62, which is going to be 118. And then we can divide that by 2, and dividing that by 2 is going to calculate each of those angles, this angle here and this angle here. 118 divided by 2, that's going to be 59 degrees. So we can say that this angle here is 59 degrees and this angle here is also 59 degrees. Finally, we wanted, remember, the bearing of C from A, so we can do our 62 degrees plus our 59 degrees. 62 plus 59 is going to be 121, guys. So that is going to be our bearing of C from A.